Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MFSA regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Firstly, the MFSA, or the Malta Financial Services Authority, is the regulating authority for all Forex brokers in Malta. Its main purpose is to supervise the licensing requirements for Forex brokers, manage code of conduct, and safeguard the ethics of the Malta financial system. The MFSA operates with its own funds, is an independent authority, and investors trading with MFSA-regulated brokers are protected due to the MFSA being regulated by the European MIFID mandate, as well as the Malta Parliament. In this list, we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MFSA-regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts, with up to 9 base tradable currency options and a variety of market instruments. Go Markets also provides their very own trading academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, and video tutorials to help you with any additional education you might be looking for. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is another great, online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts featured micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to whenever you like. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is another great choice for your online financial broker. Alpari specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, educational experience. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best MFSA regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through whenever you like. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best MFSA regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.